Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
US President Donald Trump's executive order on the country's leadership in digital financial technology has escalated the European Union's concerns around US dollar dominance in the stablecoin market. At the time of writing, dollar-backed stablecoins account for 97% of the global stablecoin market. Boeing said it was making progress on increasing plane production, and its shares jumped nearly 8%, despite the company recording its biggest annual loss in 4 years. The $11.8 billion loss, due to problems at its major units, demonstrates the challenges facing CEO Kelly Ortberg in turning around the US plane maker. Oil prices edged down, extending the previous day's losses, as concerns over disruption to Libyan oil loadings eased. Fears of weaker demand linked to soft economic data from China and rising temperatures elsewhere also pressured prices.
The sterling dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.